When it comes to home improvement, one of the most important investments you can make is top quality gutter guards. Today, Iron Horse Gutter Works is here to give you 5 reasons you should consider installing a gutter protection system. Reason number 1, they keep your gutters healthy. Over time, the weight of clogs cause gutters to sag, which means water can't flow freely. Gutter guards keep your gutters clog-free and running strong for years to come. Reason number 2, they have a great return on investment. Gutter guards are quickly becoming a home improvement staple. If you're planning to sell your home, a potential buyer will appreciate this investment, and it could help your home sell quicker and for more money. Reason number 3, they'll help protect your home. Your gutters are designed to keep water from pooling around your home's foundation and flooding your basement. If they're constantly clogged, they can't do their job. Top quality gutter guards can stop clogs before they happen. Reason number 4, they benefit your lawn too. When your gutters are clogged, they can spill over, wash away, and overwater your landscaping. They can even get under your concrete and asphalt and cause shifting and cracking. Gutter guards keep these problems at bay. Reason number 5, they keep you safe. This is perhaps the most important one of all. With over 300 ladder deaths in the United States per year, you make an investment in your safety by installing gutter guards and eliminating your need to perform gutter cleaning yourself. Well, there you have it. 5 solid reasons you should install gutter guards for your home. At Iron Horse Gutter Works, we use the industry's premier leaf lock gutter guard system. With advanced nose-forward hood technology, leaf lock systems are cosmetically appealing, effective, and will last you a lifetime. Call to schedule a free installation estimate.